Hello viewers, today we are talk about Thomas Eakin. Thomas Eakin was an influential American painter, photographer and teacher, known for his realistic depiction of everyday life and his dedication to capturing the human figure. Born on 25th July 1844 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Eakin grew up in a supportive family that valued education and the arts. His father, a writing master and calligrapher, encouraged Thomas' creativity and attention to detail. Eakins showed artistic talent from a young age and pursued formal training at the Pennsylvania Academy of Fine Arts. He also studied anatomy at Jefferson Medical College, which gave him an in-depth understanding of the human body, a skill that became central to his work. In 1866, he kind traveled to Paris to study at the prestigious École des Beaux-Arts under painter Jean Leon Groume. He also visited Spain, where he admired the works of Diego Velázquez and Joseph de Ribera, whose influence can be seen in his use of light and realism. Returning to Philadelphia in 1870, Ekain began creating works from folk that focused on American life. He painted scenes of sports, family gathering, and individual in professional setting. One of his most famous painting, The Gross Clinic, 1875, portrays Dr. Samuel Gross performing surgery in a medical amphitheater. The painting shocked some viewers due to its raw and realistic depiction of surgery, but it later became celebrated as one of the greatest American paintings. Ekain was also a pioneer in using photography to enhance his art. He believed photography cloud could capture movement and anatomy more accurately, and he often used it as a reference for his painting. This innovative approach helped him create dynamic and lifelike composition. In addition to his career as an artist, Ekain was a dedicated teacher. He returned to the Pennsylvania Academy of the Fine Arts in 1876 as an instructor and later became in director. Ekain emphasized studying anatomy and working from live models, which was inconventional at the time. His teaching methods, however, were controversial. In 1886, he was forced to resign after a scandal involving his use of nude models in the classroom, which some considered inappropriate. Despite professional challenges, Ekines continued to paint and explore the new artistic techniques. Many of his work focus on individual he knew, including friends, family members, and students. His portraits, such as Miss Amelia Van Born and Walt Whitman, are celebrated for their physiological depth and realism. Thomas Equine received Little reconnection during his lifetime, but his influence on American art grew after his death. He passed away on 25th June 1916 in Philadelphia, leaving behind a legacy of groundbreaking works that continue to inspire artists and art lovers. Today, Kynes is considered one of the most important American painters of the 19th century, celebrated for his commitment to truth and realism in art. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.